The Corridor of Modern Art, COMA, is a new street art project for the city of Glenorchy along the Intercity Cycleway between Moonah and Moonah. When COVID-19 struck in 2020, Glenorchy City Council created an economic recovery program to deliver emergency measures and strategic investment for the city. One of the hardest hit sectors during the pandemic was the arts sector. Council directly invested in the arts by launching COMA, commissioning local artists and creating a tourism asset for southern Tasmania. Council put the call out for artists in January 2021. Over 70 applications were received from artists all over the state. Council called for the expertise of Vibrance, Moonah and Destination Southern Tasmania to select the 10 artists to pioneer the new Corridor of Modern Art. Over May and June 2021, in the middle of a chilly Tasmanian winter, 10 murals across 7 locations along the cycleway were painted, with one wall becoming a gallery of 4 artworks. Each artwork and wall is unique and showcases the skills and creativity of our artists across a broad range of styles. This collection of murals marks the beginning of our city's plans to create a key tourism asset where residents and tourists alike can traverse a vibrant corridor of colourful street art installations. The murals contrast with their industrial backdrop of buildings and unused railway tracks, with the picturesque Kunani, Mount Wellington in the background. This project breathes new life into a much-used transport corridor, encouraging cycle tourism and activity along the cycleway, attracting visitors to experience the art trail and explore our CBDs along the way. The Corridor of Modern Art project is increasing and strengthening the arts tourism offering throughout Glenorchy. One of the top 5 priorities for the community, as expressed in the community plan, is to be the hub for arts and culture in Tasmania and to forge a national and international reputation as a leading destination for arts and tourism. Glenorchy City Council is proud to showcase the incredible work by the 10 Tasmanian artists that have created the Corridor of Modern Art. Tom Deams, Sarah Wells, Joel Guider, Jennifer Tyers, Beck Adamczewski, Tom O'Hearn, Jarman, Niels Olgen, Ben Jacobson, and Todd Jacobson. Thank you also to the building owners that let us use their walls as our canvas to create this iconic art trail. We are preparing for more opportunities to continue to add to and enhance the Corridor of Modern Art.